Workflow at a standstill because of the Qt5core DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix this software conflict for good. This DLL file is the foundational module for the Qt5 framework. It provides core non-GUI functionality such as signal, slot communication, file handling, event loops, and data serialization for cross-platform desktop software. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. The Qt5core.dll is distributed specifically with Qt Framework and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Qt Framework to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Qt5core file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of the Qt5core.dll unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. Give your environment a fresh start, use the link below for the recommended maintenance tool, and manage the Qt5core. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Qt framework functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support,